How to send scheduled messages on WhatsApp with external apps. Let's see how on Android, where the process is simpler. One of the most popular apps is SKEdit. You can easily find it on the Play Store. Once installed, open the app and log in by registering. Once you're in the app, click the plus sign in the bottom right to start scheduling your first message. First, click the plus sign next to Recipients and select the contacts you want to send the message to. This can be a single contact, multiple contacts, or a group. Now, further down, you can enter a title and message text. Scroll down to Schedule, and set the date and time for sending the message. Once you're finished, click the V at the top to schedule it.